Hi guys, update on my trail hike. Yeah, I've been on a good about 3 hours hiking through these trails now. Yeah, this is the way towards my camp. Walking up to where possibly I had some birch bark that I cut off and left along the way here. I want to pick up and bring back to camp to use as a fire starter. I bought some more firewood. It's along here somewhere. I could just get up to it here soon. I'll let you know. It's getting dark out. I see a little bit of a brightness over there in the west, towards Iowa there. A little shimmering shine, sun. Walking underneath here. And it goes down pretty far there. Okay, I'll keep you posted. Oh, this is a steep ass trail. I'm gonna try to film you as I go down, but I have to go slow. I'm gonna be able to do this for a few seconds. Oh, it looks like a slippery. It's not, it's just red soil. Solid. I'm carrying the bag of birch bark in my left hand while I'm holding the phone. And I'm going to probably run out of time here before I get down. Step here. Go down about a foot. Still going down a pretty deep incline, getting down to the bottom of this trail to the end. I'll take the low side this time. It looks steep. Glad I tightened my boots up. My feet would be sliding around like they were yesterday. They start getting slower. I think I'll take the roots. Nope, I'll take the trail. My heel slipped and then slammed into one of them roots and jerked. Did the herky-jerky. How you doing, everybody? I'm in my tent right now. It's about 12 o'clock and the raccoons are raising up a ruckus out there around my campsite. Some raccoon stole one of my hamburgers. And then on top of that, when I went to take a shower, and it took one of my treats out of my bag, my lunchbox, and a chocolate. And luckily it didn't take the honey I had in there. But the raccoons are out there. I've been trying to sleep, and they're just making a lot of noise out there, growling and trying to look for some more food. Everything's closed up in my vehicle outside my And over there, it's over there. So we'll get back to you in the morning. I'm going to pack up and leave tomorrow sometime after I have breakfast and get things broken down. I went for a nice hike the last 2 days. I would like to do it again. We'll see. Check it with you later. Good night. Good night. We'll see you in the morning, unless something happens. You can hear the raccoons out there still. They're chattering away. We'll see you later.